Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do Instagram Reels editing. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is just to open Instagram and then start creating a reel. So by clicking on the plus sign on the bottom, you will be able to go to the reel uh, panel. And from here, you will have many options. Either you can start creating from your drafts, or you can start create reel from templates, or you can just uh, record a footage or picture of footage. So here, I'm just going to click on next. So now we will be able to start editing on our footage. And to do so, we will need just to go from here by clicking on this icon, we will be able to start editing. So the first thing would be is that you can start cropping and editing on the footage itself. You can increase the speed if you would like. For example, like here, you can make it slower, etc. You can also start cropping from the footage. You can, let's just cancel or reset. You can also cut some uh, parts of or cut silences. Like if you have many silences on the video, you can start replacing the video, etc. And you can do many things. So also, one of the things that you can do is to start adding captions. You can also add some clips, add text from here, for example, my text, and I'm just going to click on done. And here we can start click on done, and you can see that it is added to the timeline. And you can also uh, control the timeline when something should appear, when it should hide, etc. And we can also go to the footage again and basically start adding a sticker. For example, we can add a location, quiz, or whatever you like. For example, here, and I'm going just to make it there. And basically, I'm just going to click on done. And basically here, we will have also a timeline for it. So if we want it to be for the whole video to be appearing, you can see that we will have uh, footage for this or a timeline for it. And basically, you can do this for all the elements here on the video. And basically, that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.